The SpringPoint CRM is part of the SpringPoint Industrial Software Suite. Our Customer Relationship Manager is designed to help you manage your sales effort and track all of your activities, opportunities, contacts, and customers, all from your mobile device.
We found that SpringPoint CRM was the perfect fit for us. Basically, all the information that we have back at the plant, we have in front of us, right in front of the customer with the CRM.
Each sales rep has access to a customizable dashboard, giving them at-a-glance information. Create, view, and manage all your activities. Drilling down into those activities will bring you to more information where you can view, edit, or schedule follow-up actions. In the calendar, drag and drop to make organizing your schedule easy. Manage opportunities in a list or drag and drop pipeline view. Create, view, and manage all your contacts and customers. Use filter and sort tools to narrow down who it is you're looking for. Plan your sales travel with map views. Drill down into the contact or customers for more detailed information, including recent activities and opportunities, as well as your job and quote information. Run sales-related reports that you can export to Excel or PDF. SpringPoint CRM also comes with integration tools for common email and calendar programs. Access a full library of video demos and tutorials.
I rely so much on that CRM.
For in-depth training, help getting users set up to use the SpringPoint CRM, or you just want to learn more about the SpringPoint suite, please email sales@springpt.com.